Understanding the differences between text and values. Excel does a great job to help you in your work, but you also need to help Excel understand what you want to present and calculate. One big issue in this is that you need to make clear what content in your worksheet should be treated as data or values and which should be treated as text. And text can take various forms, such as labels used to identify columns or rows, or names used to identify specific cells or cell ranges. By default, Excel often assumes that what you type in should be treated as data. This makes sense because the bulk of the information you add to a worksheet does tend to be data. Yet not all numbers should be treated as data values. For example, perhaps you want to enter a number that really should be treated more like text, such as a date, a product ID number, even a credit card or account number, something you need to note but should not be treated as a value that Excel should consider as part of a calculation or even format the way you would format other types of data in the worksheet. For example, here I've entered a savings account number, which is supposed to be 0704571, but Excel doesn't understand that I want this to seem like text because it's an account number that's, while it's a number, is not part of the actual meat and potatoes of the worksheet data. So you need to make this clear to Excel what you want it to do. Let's say, just as we've done here, that we've entered an account number and realized that it's being treated like money and a calculation rather than as pretty much a specific type of record of information that we've included as text. So here, we'd select the cell that contains the number that we want to format as text. We'd choose the Format menu to open it. We'd select Cells, and now we're going to select the Number tab. And you'll see that there are various categories listed here. We're going to go down, and we're going to find Text. And it's saying that, see, text format numbers are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. And now we're going to click OK. However, we've still got the decimal point, and that we'll take care of later. But this tells Excel that this is not a number the way it sees $1,188.16 as a number. It's going to see it more as text, and that you need to be clear with Excel when you're entering any kind of a number that really is meant to be for text. It's important to understand, too, the two roles that text can maintain for a worksheet or workbook, and we're going to go into that soon, where we tell you exactly how you can use labels and names to specify specific areas of your worksheet. Text can be used to provide specific names to a cell, a range of cells, mathematical constants, as well as formulas in your worksheet or workbook. And giving certain ones a name can help make them easier to identify and reference, but they have to be clearly pointed out to Excel to be a name or a label or some other form of text that should not be treated as part of the data in the sheet.